So a lot of people are perplexed by this little tool. This is for hand knotting necklaces. So I'm going to show you how to use it because it took me quite some time to figure out how to do it myself, and I have some friends who are also perplexed. So first, we're going to string all these beads. I have strung all of the Herkimer, the handmade bead, and this gorgeous rutilated quartz, and I've kind of done them in pairs. So if this is a white and black one, a black and black one, a brown and black one, so they kind of are matching along. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Let's knot this. Here's a piece that I hand knotted with some metallic thread, and we're going to do the same thing here right now to this choker. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with just a knot. Now I've left myself plenty of string just in case I decide I want to add a bead from this way, or I want to like tie something in. I like to leave lots and lots of extra string. So I'm going to tie the knot way, way, way up here. So I've got maybe eight or 9 inches. All right, so there's my first knot. I just made my hand. So we're going to slide our first bead down. All of our beads are strung and ready to go in exactly the formation that we want. By the way, I'm obsessed with this rutile quartz that I have. It's so beautiful. And this Herkimer, it's all so pretty. Okay, we've got our first bead here. Now we're going to bring out this guy. It gives people so many problems, all right? All right, this is how he works. And I'll do it a couple times slowly for you guys, so that hopefully you can get it. So the first thing we're going to do is tie a knot using the bead end to go back through. So I've learned to tie in this direction. So I make a loop, I bring the bead through the hole. This ends up helping you in the end when you need weight to kind of guide things. Now, I brought the knot down to the bead hole. I'm going to pinch it with this hand. Then I'm going to stick the needle end, you can see that through, and I'm going to pull it. Okay, so this is what we have right now. All these things are together. The knot is nice and tight. This is how you remove it. You put the string through the V, you push up on the button until the needle slides out, and now you have a beautiful tight knot. And that's how you use the beading tool. Let me do it a couple more times so you don't have to rewind. Slide a bead down. Got it right there. Everything looks good. We're going to tie the knot. Bring it down to the bead hole. Grab it with the left hand. Put the needle through. Pull. And then bring this through the V so that it looks like that. And then we're going to push up and slide the needle out. And we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful knot. And that's how I hand bead. I also like to give it a little tug because it will stretch a little bit. Let's do a few more. Again, we slide the bead down. Look at that gorgeous bead. Oh, so beautiful. We tie the knot. We bring the knot down to the bead hole. I make the loop smaller as I do that, by the way. So we've got our loop here, we're holding it here. Needle end goes through, we pull it to the knot. It goes through the V, and we use our thumb to pull the needle out. Again, beautiful, beautiful knot. Let's do another one together. And we bring the bead down. So we're going to tie, bring him through, bring him down to the bead hole, grab him and pull till we have a smaller loop that looks like that. Then we're going to stick the needle in, we're going to tighten it, and then we're going to use this to remove and tighten the needle and the knot down. again. Beautiful. Let's do it again together. Oh, look at this bead, you guys. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm obsessed with rutile. Rutile? I don't know. Whatever it is, I love it. I love it, I love it. Okay, let's do it again. Let's tie. Let's pull down to the bead hole. Let's make the loop a little bit smaller. We're holding it with the left hand. The needle point goes in. We pull it to the bead. It looks like that at this point. Then we pass this through and we use this to remove the needle from the knot and keep the knot tight. All right, let's do a couple more. I'm gonna be with you on this till we get you going. This is something that is like a muscle memory thing that you've got to learn. It's not going to come immediately. It took me a while to get this down and to have it be like second nature. So don't, if you're frustrated, don't worry, because it does get simpler. So knotting, pull it down to the bead hole, grab it and make the loop smaller, insert the needle, pull to the bead. We're here again. That's when we put this through the V and use this to remove the needle from the knot while tightening it. Again, perfect knot. It really is great once you learn how to do it. It's incredibly helpful. So I'm gonna do this one more time. There we go. Knot. Pull it down to the bead hole, grab it, make the loop smaller, put the pin in, tighten it. There you have it. And then we put that through the V portion and we use this to pull the needle out of the knot while tightening. And again, perfection. So I hope that helps you guys. I'm gonna put this on time lapse for the rest. I hope this was a slow enough demonstration so that you guys can learn how to do it on your own, and then I'll show you the final piece in just a minute. And the knotting is done. I'm going to cut this off my spool, which I left it on this whole time because I never know how much cord I need when I'm hand knotting. And there she is. This is one of my handmade beads in the middle. This will probably come out in my first drop. It needs to have a handmade clasp attached. I'll show you what those look like. I don't have one made for this yet, but it will be something like this. A handmade clasp will go here, and the loop end will go here. I hope that helps, guys. Go out there and make stuff. Oh, and if you could like, comment, and share, that would be great. Then other people will get to see this video as well. Love ya.